Breast reduction is a procedure that we perform that actually yields us some of our happiest patients. Patients with very large breasts frequently suffer from fungal rashes, particularly in the hot summer months beneath their breasts. The weight of their breasts can cause grooving in the skin of their shoulders from the force of the shoulder straps pressing into the skin. The size of the breast can also limit the participation in all kinds of exercise and sports activities. And of course it can make it very difficult for these patients to find clothes that fit. A frequent complaint that we hear is, "Doctor, my tops never match my bottoms. I always have to get completely different sizes for my pants or skirts and for my blouses or tops." Aside from this, breast reduction can also make the patient's breasts look and appear more attractive and more proportionate to the rest of the patient's frame. It can also remove a source of embarrassment or self-consciousness for the patient. Breast reduction is a procedure that we perform for the most part on an outpatient basis. In doing this procedure, our goal is not only to make the breast smaller, but to leave the patient with an aesthetically attractive breast. Some of the things, the nuances that we pay attention to, for instance, are trying to take more of the breast tissue from the lateral or outside of the breast while maximizing the amount of breast tissue that we leave on the inner or medial aspect of the breast, so that the patient after the surgery still has nice cleavage and some appearance of fullness in a bra rather than a hollowed out look. The pattern of scars on the breast after a breast reduction can be in the form of a lollipop with a lateral L extension, or an upside down T or anchor incision. For us, a lot of time is spent at the close of the procedure after we've shaped the breast, closing those incisions as precisely as we can to leave the patient with scars that over time will become thinner and flatter, and with the passage of time more and more inconspicuous. And I think that most of our breast reduction patients will say that it was one of the best decisions that they've made in their lives, and really has opened up for them a whole new world of possibilities, socially, athletically, and of course in terms of fashion.